guys, we're going to be making salt dough ornaments.
And we'll need flour, salt, and water.
You'll
need a half cup of salt.
Add that in a bowl. And
add flour, 1 cup of flour, and then
3/4 of the cup water.
And there's our water. You pour it in with the ingredients, and then you grab your spoon and then start stirring.
Mixy. More mixing.
And you mix for a little while until it looks like, and you mix until it looks like dough. And then you start
karate chop it. And then you first add flour. You add flour on your hand, then knead it for a little while
until it's not sticky.
Looks like pizza dough.
And you keep on doing it, not sticky, and then you start adding more flour.
So it doesn't stick on your hands.
Yes.
You gotta keep doing it until you're done.
Keep on karate chopping.
Then you need a rolling pin and roll it out.
And if it starts sticking, add more flour onto it. It happened to me. It starts sticking onto the rolling pin. You add more flour if it becomes like that. Then you put it for 2 hours and 50 to
250 and let it preheat.
Yep. And then you find something that you want to make. Then you carefully get it out of the whatever you're using. Be creative.
Ninja.
And next step is to you add your holes, but we're gonna use straws this time. And then you grab some.
If you would like, I'd get some extra dough if you're using.
And use toothpicks for details.
Whatever you're doing doesn't matter. I'm adding a ponytail to my ninja. It's a girl. I loved it. When you do it, if you'd like for it to stick better, you can put your finger in water and that'll help it. You can use toothpicks for eyes or whatever you're doing.
And you don't use too much water or it'll just get liquidy and it'll get super sticky. And today I'm making a mohawk. It's not really gonna look like a mohawk. It kind of really looks like a hat. But it will look good. It'll be darker after you bake it. I used a toothpick to get a little bit of the details into it. I used the toothpick and flattened, pushed it down, then used the tip to add lines.
I used a girl who's kicking, and I can't wait. The ponytail, I used streaks for her hair, and yeah.
I did one who's doing a run jump side kick, and it's a boy.
Ooh, an egg.
My mom made this one, and Ellie, she, if you want a good circle, you could use a cup. You can use anything that involves a circle. Then you take it out of the oven.
Let them cool for 5 to 7 minutes.
Yeah, you let it cool, then you can start painting. My sister used the the nice colors, and she's gonna make it like a blendy kind of thing. And mine, I'm using black, red, and gold for the hair. I used some white for the uniform, black for the belts, and the uniform.
I'm using, my favorite color is blue, so I'm going to add a streak in her hair that's blue. Yeah. I can't wait.
And if it's too hot, you leave it in the oven. And no, you let it cool. And I started off with my black, then I used my gold, and then I used my red. And
I added rainbow colors that you add drops of water to make it mix. This is called girl camo.
And this is called it's just a regular boy who he likes black, and
She has a blue belt that's mixy blue.
And I love the way how it's all it's black because I know that I like being nice and